Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is teacher Sanjida from TESOL Elementary School and TESOL Bangladesh, and today I'm back with our another science experiment video. In this previous video, we have learned that a paper clip that is made of metal sinks in the water. But what if it floats? Let's see. Here I have taken a piece of tissue paper and which I'm going to put on this water. And now I'm going to put the metal paper clip on it. We can see that the paper clip is floating even after the tissue paper is sinking. So what's the reason behind it? Now the metal paper clip is floating, but in the previous video we saw that the metal clip instantly sinks. So the reason is water's a very special character which is called surface tension. After placing that piece of tissue paper on the surface of water makes the surface tension increase. For this reason, the paper clip that is made of metal is still floating in the surface of water. So I hope you like that video. In the next video, I'll be back with another science experiment.